この番組はご覧のスポンサーの提供でお送りいたします。
Okay.
Hey! Oh no! Oh no!
Truth or dare?
Oh crap! Dare. I want to dare. I'll do it. Yeah.
Yeah.
There's so many good dares. I just don't know what to do. I dare you to.
Do it.
Go to your fridge, grab the spiciest condiment that you have, and take a spoonful.
What?
What if
I
she
think I
doesn't have
made
anything
myself-
spicy in her fridge? Okay,
I
Bijou,
feel like I was pretty clear.
run fast.
Run fast! On time here!
Be right back. I'm back.
All right.
Stay, Bijou, do it! What did we get? What did we find?
I found a bulldog packet.
Oh my God.
The bulldog sauce packet. I found one.
Spoonful, let's go!
I don't have a spoon, so I'm just gonna suck it out of the
Don't die.
packet.
Please don't die.
Itadakimasu!
Go!
How is it? Wow.
Did you just turn into Fumoko? What?
Wait. It's
my
very
God.
spicy. Ooh. It's tasty.
Oh,
I think-
great.
Babe,
what are you
doing
to the baby?
Keep your challenge.
Yeah, I feel like that was so mean.
Biboo.
Bijou, are you
Do you
okay?
know that young children actually can handle spices level way, younger than you think? They have a pretty advanced palate.
You're calling her a baby?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
I think we need to punish
Poor
Bae for
thing.
that. That was really mean.
It's
Come
not.
on.
Think group
It's
C.
not the spice. It's just actually really gross to eat sauce straight out of a packet.
That
So
is
it's
true.
making me gag. It's not really that spicy. I'm just gagging from the
Oh.
texture of the.
Kind of weird.
Are we drawing on Bae's face?
Yes, we are. You're gonna draw a mustache on her, like a full-on
Uh,
a mustache and a beard on her.
I'm not sure, but let's do it. That was so mean.
She's fine.
Oh yeah.
Oh!
Are you
Eyebrows.
okay? My
Biboo.
hands have
Yeah,
blood on
Biboo,
me
are
though
you-
because my hands all orange now. 'Cause,
Oh no, don't touch your eyeballs.
Yeah,
Oh,
don't touch your
yeah.
eyeballs.
Nobody dare me to touch my eyeballs, please.
We won't. Don't worry.
We'll hold back this once, don't worry.
Yeah.
I mean, it kind
Okay.
of suits Bae, actually. I like it.
Oh yeah, spicy mouth.
Yeah.
I feel the fire slowly burning through my system.
I
Oh,